Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Cash App not letting me send money. So if you have sending issues, so what you can do, firstly, the first tip that you can do in order to fix this issue is update your Cash App. So if you have an update on your Cash App, so just go to your Google Store or your Play Store or your Apple Store. Just check for if there is any update for your Cash App. If there is any, just update it, because sometimes a simple update can fix all your issues. So try to update your app if there's an update. If that doesn't work, then the second option that you can do is simply open up your app information, so your app settings. Just open it up, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go to the storage area here, and then you're going to try clear the cache app cache and data. So try to clear especially the app cache, so click on clear cache and then try to clear it. Okay, that should also fix the issue. And then if it doesn't, then what you can do is just try to close and reinstall this app. So try to completely uninstall this app and then go to the Play Store or Apple Store and then just reinstall it. And if that should hopefully fix the issue. Otherwise, the last option that you can do is just contact the support systems, the customer support. So that's the only other last option you have if you still have an issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.